Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of a faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. Get ready to witness the fusion of cutting-edge technology and creative storytelling. I'm your host, Your Name, and this is our journey into the world of faceless content creation. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a faceless YouTube channel? Well, it's a channel where creators utilize artificial intelligence to replace their physical presence with virtual avatars or animations. This innovative approach allows content creators to focus solely on their ideas, messages, and creative expression without revealing their true identities. Faceless YouTube channels have gained tremendous popularity due to their unique appeal and mysterious nature. Creators can maintain anonymity, allowing their content to take center stage. It opens up endless possibilities for storytelling, entertainment, and knowledge sharing. So, how can you create your own faceless YouTube channel using AI? Let's break it down step by step. First, you'll need a computer or laptop with decent processing power. Next, you'll require AI software capable of generating lifelike avatars or animations. One popular option for generating avatars is through deepfake technology. It can seamlessly replicate your facial features and expressions, providing a highly realistic virtual representation of yourself. Once you've installed the AI software, it's time to gather a diverse dataset of images or videos of yourself. These will be used to train the AI model and enable it to accurately mimic your appearance and mannerisms. Remember, the quality and diversity of your dataset are crucial. Collect images and videos showcasing various angles, expressions, and lighting conditions. The more comprehensive your dataset, the better your AI model will be at reproducing your unique characteristics. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, training the AI model. Using the AI software, you'll feed your dataset into the model and let it learn the intricacies of your facial features, movements, and expressions. This process may take some time, but the results are well worth the effort. With your AI model trained and ready, it's time to unleash your creativity and start producing captivating content. Focus on developing engaging scripts, captivating visuals, and immersive storytelling. Remember, without the constraint of your physical presence, you can experiment with various genres, concepts, and themes. Whether you're into gaming, educational content, vlogging, or animated storytelling, the possibilities are endless. Embrace the freedom that a faceless YouTube channel offers and let your imagination run wild. Building a strong community is vital for any YouTube channel, and a faceless channel is no exception. Interact with your audience through comments, live chats, and social media platforms. Engage in discussions, respond to feedback, and make your viewers feel connected to your content and ideas. And there you have it, fellow creators and tech enthusiasts. We've reached the end of our journey into the world of faceless YouTube channels using AI. Remember, this innovative approach allows you to focus on your ideas and creativity without the limitations of your physical appearance. With the power of AI, you can truly let your imagination soar, bringing your content to life in ways you never thought possible. So, go out there, create, and inspire others with your unique perspective. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations into the world of technology. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating. Music fades in as the camera pans out, displaying the channel logo and graphics. This video was brought to you by Tech Titan, unlocking the potential of technology and creativity. Subscribe now for more exciting content.